Hi there! Welcome to my studio. I'm Monique Carr and today I will show you how to mount the two paintings that we did last week onto these wood panels. They will look really good, I promise you. Alright, follow me! Woo! Well, look at that! We started with a small piece of paper and a small piece of canvas sheet, and now we have two beautiful paintings mounted on a wood panel. And now they are ready to be mounted inside of a floater frame, which, by the way, add a lot of value to the presentation. Now they are ready to be displayed on the wall. Oh, hey! And don't forget, my online painting classes are coming soon, so stay tuned.